Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to work on the heat shield for the brake system. Stay tuned. Alright guys, last episode on the twin turbo Foz, we did this heat shield here. I've ordered some tape that will go on the inside of that and probably just wrap around the edge, probably a couple of mil, so it's not going to be sharp. So we've got heaps of the sheet left, which is down there. So I just saw this one here, this bolt here, so we'll unbolt there and we'll start from there and wrap our way around and down. It's pretty easy to bend and manipulate, so let's do that. So it is 1/2 mil thick, if you didn't know. Now I work at Toyota and a couple of new cars came in and they look pretty much the same thickness. It's just that they have dimples all over them to give them a bit more strength. But anyways, enough of that. Let's make it. Alright, so I've got this cereal box cardboard, nice and thin, which is pretty much the same as the alley. So hopefully we can just, bend it up and put it in and make our template. Alright guys, pretty much got my template there. So that's a tab that'll mount onto the brake, big black bit. And then this one will mount just onto this bolt here on this bracket. That'll wrap around and we'll mold that a little bit more. Then we'll get the black heat tape onto this side of it. Whereas on that one, we'll have it on the inside. And we'll see how it looks, the tape looks on this one. We might just cover that one or paint that black. I'll make it look better anyway. It does look very home job because it is. But yeah, put this template onto the sheet, we'll cut it out and see how it goes. Alright guys, so I ended up snipping it out with actually a sharpened pair of secateurs. I was thinking I should have got tin snips, so anyway, that ended up working out okay. As you can tell, I've beaten it down a little bit, bent this tab in. I'm about to drill a hole for this one, and then we'll find out where the hole is for this here. We can form it all properly, just bend it all, and yeah. I just screwed up. Went a little bit too hard there, bud. Ripped the tab off. Had that one, mounted it up. Alright, so I ended up getting out of this pretty good. Because I molded it, it actually moved the location of where I needed the hole. So we managed to get it on there. So there's a heat shield. I'll just straighten it up a bit if I can and smooth it off. And just get that to come off that wire connection there. But yeah, we'll mold it a bit better, take off the sharp edges, and we should be good. Happy with that. So we will have it sitting about there. Sweet. Just got a notification from Ozpost about 20 minutes ago saying that the heat tape should be here tomorrow. Let's see. Alright guys, so I'll probably just run some C channel on the top. I just pinched that from here to see how it would look. Yeah, make it a bit more safe for myself going for things around this area. Yeah, we need some more for here because I don't have enough. Alright, so I'm just going to leave that like that for tonight. Also, like I said, this drain here will get changed when the engine comes out. But yeah, we'll be taking this out when we get the tape. We'll be taping that all up and just need to snip of this back edge here so it doesn't rub on anything. Yeah, that was a pretty easy one to do. Now we just have the firewall one to do. So the one back there that'll protect the wiring and the heater hoses. So that wiring loom is actually up against the screw pipe. I mean the wastegate that goes back into the exhaust. So yeah, we'll just have to figure that one out. Be a bit easier to get to once this one's off. So when the tape comes, we'll get that one off too, and we'll see where we're at. Yeah, might just put some tape onto the firewall as well. And we just need a couple of little mounting spots, and we should be good for off the firewall. But yeah, we're going to see if we can pull this wiring loom back against the firewall as well. So we might have to move this one up. Alrighty guys, finally made it back out into the garage. It's now Friday night. Now we did get the tape, but I need to edit this video. So that will be next episode. So next episode we'll also do our third heat shield, and we'll wrap everything, we'll tape everything, and we'll get her started, and maybe go for a drive. So yeah, unfortunately don't have enough time to do the other heat shield and wrap everything tonight and get this edited and everything. So yeah, over the weekend hopefully I can pop out here, bend up some metal for the back one there, and I'll just tape everything up. So I'll have to pull some of this wiring back and hard up against the firewall. Obviously need to get that off. Maybe even need to drop the dump pipe and the screaming pipe so we can get in there a bit better. But yeah, we'll definitely get in there, do the heat shields, and we'll have this running and hopefully on the road next week, driving it to work. So fun times. So guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a like, and I will catch you next episode when we get the FODs running and on the street once again. Thanks for watching. Bye.